On this week's Pillow Talk, let's discuss whether now is the time for buyers to get into this crazy market. So buyers, let's really talk about this. More than ever before, now is the time for you to buy. And that's for a few different reasons. One, rental price points are going up and will remain up. Two, the degree of immigration that we have coming into this country and localized specifically within the GTA is astounding. Three, in regards to inflation, yes, I get it. It could be a little bit daunting to think about where we are in terms of interest rates. Let's take a moment to analyze the fact that if you purchased a house right now with a lower price point than last year at a higher interest rate than last year, you're actually buying at a better price point. Now, it's important to know at the end of the day, you are just dating the rate. The rate is not a long-term thing. Mind you, getting into the market when there's an opportunity sets you aside in more than one way. I would also like to address the fact that not only are we going to be welcoming 580,000 immigrants into our country this year, let's also address the elephant in the room that is we don't have enough inventory. How that works, I don't quite know, but that is just an additional reason why if you are thinking about getting into the market, getting into it sooner rather than later is a really, really great idea. Now, if you're looking to get into the market and really you're just kind of unsure, always reach out. I would love to put together and strategize with you so we can look over your finances, look over the market, and see how they come together for you. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any questions, always reach out.